Today I am installing a dryer vent using this 4-inch straight metal duct. And if you've ever tried to connect a male end and a female end on duct like this, you know it can be pretty frustrating. So I like to create a little trumpet end with just a regular screwdriver. It doesn't matter what it is as long as it has a round shaft here and a handle. And I will put this right up against the edge at a little bit of an angle so that I can create a flare around the end of the female side. So I'll put this in, angle it down a little bit, and just apply pressure as I spin this around. Usually take a couple passes. Just be careful not to damage it. And now you can see this has a little bit of a flare all the way around. Now, connect these guys. I think. Yeah, there we go. Now we're in. There we go. I'll just stand this up and push them all the way together and we'll be good to go.